So this is just a quick video on how to install these split flanges on the M10. This is a 4-inch M10. You'll see here we actually have two different rubbers that have come through with 4-inch flange adapters. This one here, which has got a flat seal here, and it's got a inside, you'll see it's got a taper on the inside of the flange, and it's that design is the current flange, sorry, the current seal. And this one here, as you can see, is a different design. It's just more rounded. So they're very similar to put both of them on. So I'll just take you through the process. So 4-inch Victaulic water meter. The tools I've got is an 18mm socket and an 18mm spanner. So to install it, all I do is get the rubber gasket. It has to be in this configuration, so with the flat side on the outside. You'll see on the grooved, on the Victaulic, we've got the groove there for the Victaulic flange adapter. So this rubber just fits on here like so. Just need to pull it a little bit. And what you do is this face sits flush with the end of the M10. So you'll see underneath we've still got the groove where the flange can connect into. So I'll just show you the flange here. So that's the groove that sits into the roll grooved adapter, and the rubber will sit flat inside here. I'll just show you that. So you can see how the rubber sits inside that flange adapter. So again, all we do is pull this rubber over. There's a little bit of tension on it, but nothing too difficult. Make sure it's nice and flush. Then I get the flange adapter. The groove, you can see that groove there, and it just slides underneath in the groove. And I'll do the same with the other side. And then at this point I sort of get it nice and straight so the bolts are parallel with the top of the M10. Like that. So then a bolt. A washer and a nut. The same on the other side. Bolt, washer and a nut. Now at this point you can sort of just make sure it's pushed down as far as it can. And using an 18mm socket, and an 18mm spanner. Tighten all the way up until you see it pull in, and that one is ready for installation. Very similar process to this, should you come across them. Again, we're not, this is an older style, but you'll see there's writing on the outside. So the writing on the outside sits facing out, so this will go up against your connecting flange. Do the same on the other side, and that's it.